This week, I'll be walking you through the time function on Excel. Excel can give you the current time based on your computer's regional settings. You can also add and subtract times. For instance, you might need to keep track of how many hours an employee worked each week and calculate their pay and overtime. Now, to access the current time on Excel, we use the noun function. That's equals to NOW, then I'll press my tab key to open the parentheses, then I'll close it and I press enter. So according to my computer's regional setting, this is the current time right now. This noun function is called a dynamic function. It means it changes as time goes on, the time changes. While these times that are imputed here, they are called static. That is, somebody and imputed them by hand, if you understand what I mean. So they don't change over time. If I come back in the next 5 minutes, this is going to be the same thing that will be here. Why the noun function, the time changes as time goes on, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So now we are going to calculate the total hour of this employee, the total hour worked for this particular employee. So I'm just going to press equals to, then I'm going to say time out, going to minus the time in, right, close the bracket, and I'll say minus again. I'm going to minus the time for break for this particular employee because he or she was not working during the break. So I'm going to say lunch in minus lunch out. I should have put that in the bracket. So I'm just going to close that and input the brackets here. So I'm going to put everything now in a bigger bracket. Yes. Now because we are working with time, I'm going to multiply it by 24 since 24 hours make Monday. So now we have 12 a.m. This is not what we want. We want to see how many hours this employee worked, right? So I'm just going to go to my home tab, then the number, I'm going to change the format. Is in time format now. I'm just going to change it to general, to normal number. So I'm going to press general in this button and press OK. So we have 8 hours. So this particular employee worked for 8 hours. Now, if you like my video, please like it, share it to your friends, and subscribe. This will go a long way for my video. Thank you.